Morning to all. This is C.H. Karthik from 7th class from Akash Educational International. I am telling about a small speech about in India freedom fighter Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter and social activist. His full name was his full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His parents were Karamchand Gandhi and Putli Bai. He got at the age of 13. He was married to Kasturba Gandhi. He is called the father of the nation. Thank you everyone.